Global pineapple production continues to grow and is expected to exceed 33 million tons in 2024. However, processing companies generally face challenges such as raw material waste, low efficiency, single deep processing products, and low added value. Jalgug launched a comprehensive pineapple utilization plan to comprehensively improve the pineapple value chain. Fresh fruits are washed, waxed, and graded to maximize their value. Inferior fruits are deeply processed into pineapple juice, canned food, etc. To expand the market, pineapple residues and pineapple peels are further extracted and fermented to produce pectin, enzymes, and fertilizers, realizing the high-value use of waste. Jalgug accurately improves efficiency through customized production lines, combines advanced pre-treatment systems, deep processing technologies, energy recycling and digital monitoring, creates a sustainable closed loop, and helps customers achieve maximum benefits. Efficient, fast, and fully automatic pineapple grading reduces labor costs, enhances internal quality inspection, and increases product value. It enhances automation, ensures thorough cleaning, identifies defects, and raises pineapple quality. Manual correction removes surface moisture, improving wax coverage. Recycling wax and bactericide cuts waste and lowers operational costs. The system boosts packaging efficiency, cuts labor costs, and ensures accuracy and hygiene. The machine efficiently removes pineapple skin and core, cuts labor, boosts efficiency, and reduces waste. The pineapples are precisely cut into uniform specifications, and the cutting size can be adjusted as needed to minimize waste. It improves can sealing, removes excess gases, prevents spoilage, and extends shelf life. It ensures even juice syrup distribution, enhancing flavor, color, and taste. It guarantees can sealing, extends shelf life, and prevents contamination. It enables fast, large-scale sterilization, ensuring safety and preserving nutrition. It improves packaging efficiency, cuts labor costs, and ensures accuracy and hygiene. Effective cleaning of the pineapple surface is achieved by generating bubbles, which remove dirt and pesticide residues through bubble impact. Gentle cleaning without chemical detergents effectively reduces damage and nutrient loss. The pineapple is struck by a high-speed rotating hammer to crush the fruit, thereby extracting the juice. High crushing efficiency enables quick processing of large quantities of fruit, reducing manual labor. Juice is squeezed from the pineapple pulp using pressure applied by a band press mesh belt. The gentle juicing process minimizes damage to nutrients in the juice and is suitable for large-scale production. A rotating screen combined with vibration removes impurities from the juice, such as pulp fragments and peel. Efficient screening finally removes impurities, ensuring the clarity and quality of the juice. Excess water is removed at a lower temperature through vacuum evaporation, utilizing dual effects to concentrate the juice. Effectively reduces energy consumption and thermal damage, maintaining the nutrients and flavor of the juice. The juice is instantly heated to a high temperature and then rapidly cooled to kill bacteria, yeast, and mold. Kills microorganisms without compromising the nutritional value and flavor of the juice, extending the product's shelf life. Aseptic filling is conducted in a sterile environment to prevent air or microbial contamination, ensuring long-term preservation of the juice. Ensures the juice is not contaminated during packaging, extends the product's shelf life, and ensures food safety.